Here we have a current shape F150 Lariat, front and rear fitted in black water resistant canvas. So we'll start on the front pair for the video. As you can see, separate headrests. So this is the current shape, so it has seat mounted airbags on the door sides of the backrest. This Lariat grade so has electrics on both driver and passenger. You can see the controls are left open with our seat covers fitted. You've got the center console top is a separate bonus piece that we do. Can still tip up. Full canvas down the back of the backrest, and you have the option to leave the mat pockets open. Also on now to the rear seat, so you got, it's a 40-60 split, 3 separate headrests, armrest with drink holder still accessible. As you can see, 40 base is folded up, but 60 base can also fold up. Pull tag to release the bases is accessible, like so. 60 side is locked, but we make the seat cover so you can unclip it, fold it down and fit the cover then on the 40 side also. 40 side can fold down and fold back up.